In today's video, I'm going to teach you Canva tutorial for Amazon product photography. We'll build a clean, professional product image using simple tools inside Canva, and I'll explain the why behind each move so you can repeat this for any item you sell. Start by opening a template in Canva. A square canvas works great for marketplaces, and larger dimensions help with zoom quality. If you're preparing a main Amazon image, aim for a square layout and keep the background plain. Next, change the background color. For a compliant main image, stick with pure white. For lifestyle or secondary images, you can choose a soft, neutral tone that complements your brand without stealing attention from the product. Upload your product photo. Drag it onto the canvas, then use Canva's background remover to isolate the subject. This tool is under the photo editing options. Once the background is gone, crop any extra empty space around the product so it sits snugly within the frame and looks intentional. Resize the product so it fills the composition confidently without touching the edges. Position the product at the center. Use Canva's snapping guides to align it perfectly so it looks balanced and professional. Now, head to Elements. Search for a simple shadow graphic like an oval or soft drop shadow and add it to the canvas. Adjust the shadow by widening it slightly and softening the look with lower transparency so it appears realistic. Reposition it under the base of the product and resize it so the shadow matches the product's footprint. Layer the shadow behind the product using the Arrange options so the product remains on top. To add interest, bring in a small supporting element, such as coffee beans if that fits your item. Use the flip controls and choose Flip Vertical to create a mirrored variation for visual variety. Adjust its size so it doesn't compete with the product, and drag it to the top if you need it to sit above other graphics. Lower its transparency to keep it subtle and avoid clutter. Add one more complementary element, like a small plant shape, to frame the scene. Adjust its size, then tuck it into a corner to create balance and guide the eye toward the product. Finally, fine-tune the layering of all elements. Ensure the product stays on top, the shadow sits beneath it, and decorative elements don't overlap important labels or features. Keep the focus on the product, maintain clean spacing, and you're done with a polished, marketplace-ready image.